From where I sit, it looks like Cilium is probably the most recognizable company that kind of emerged from the eBPF story. I know that there are major cloud providers that use Cilium as default now. I know that a lot of people I speak to at least tried Cilium and use it for various things, including like the security stuff and observability. How well are you guys doing? And what is Cilium all about?
Yeah, so I guess there's one clarification here. So Cilium is just an open source project. So it's owned by the CNCF. It's not actually a company. It's free for anyone to contribute to. We like to have contributors. And we have contributors from, what is it, like 300 companies now, I think. So I'm a maintainer of the Cilium project and I'm employed by Isovalent, but it does two separate things. Yeah, it's been crazy for me to track the growth of the Cilium project in the time that I've been at Isovalent. When I got there, it had been chosen as the data plane for Google, for GKE, and then also for EKS Anywhere, so Amazon. And then since that time, we've really seen the explosion of the ecosystem around Cilium. And I think that's been amazing. It's now the default also for Microsoft and for basically all the other cloud providers out there too. It's big. Cilium has really become kind of like the standard cloud native networking layer. People are using it in every single industry. If you check out Cilium.io, we have vertical use cases pages where we're talking about different case studies of how Cilium is being used in different industries, and then a broad spectrum of different things. And I think what's cool is seeing the growth of the project. So originally Cilium began as just a CNI, providing the container networking in a Kubernetes cluster. And since then, it's grown both down the stack and up the stack. So doing things like auto announcements, BGP, integrating into really data center fabric, and then also going up the stack towards more like layer 7 stuff. So doing things like service mesh, gateway API, ingress. So really managing your whole networking stack as one layer, right? And so having one consistent way to control your network in a cloud native fashion. And then the project has also expanded beyond just networking to also include observability with Hubble, and then also the security with Tetragon too. And it's been cool to see how the project has grown in the couple of years that I've been working on it. And it's been amazing to see the growth of the project, and it's really become Cilium is everywhere. The one point that really came home to me about, oh wow, Cilium has really made it now, is when I was at KubeCon and I was working at the Cilium booth in one of the events, and I was standing there. And somebody came up to me and they said, I really need Cilium. What's Cilium? Just like the type of, this is the technology that I'm supposed to have, but what is it? You need to tell me so that I can have what I'm supposed to need. And I was like, okay, I think this is the peak of the hype cycle right now.